it seems to be slightly disappointing what's happened. Could this explain why?
I have to be careful here because I've got some colleagues who think that they've actually made quite some important discoveries in this area.
Might be very upset with me.
But I think also it's just what it's saying, and it's meaningful, is that possibly the nature of the size and interconnectivity of different brain areas may not be the thing that is telling you something important about mental health. And that could be because I've got colleagues that say, well, actually, you need to break that down into smaller elements anyway. A bit like the thing with IQ, you shouldn't be looking for these large parameters, you should be looking for something much more fine-grained. Or it could be that actually it's to do with a completely different dimension, for example, the brain chemistry, which fMRI is not particularly good. It's sometimes you can pick up stuff that seems associated with that, but it's not actually directly telling you about brain chemistry and the relationship between brain chemistry and brain structure and brain function. So it could be that actually the technique is simply not as sensitive to that as other brain imaging techniques are.
Scott, do you see that we could make more progress in the future with brains and mental health, say?
Yeah, I certainly think so. I think in terms of the lack of perceived progress, the reliance on small samples has probably hampered progress in the mental health world.